Hello guys, and welcome to another UK Card Club card review video. Today we're looking at the Unicorn deck. I'm trying to decide which one to open. This one's a bit sort of delicately designed, a lot lighter. This has got much more contrast. I think it will be able to see it better, so we're going to open that one. So these are Aloys Design Studio. They're made by the United States Playing Card Company, made in the USA. I think we should just crack right into it, really. So we've got presumably the back design on the front. Very cool. Very standard font. But I don't know what to expect on the inside. Obviously there's some sort of, looks like a mix between a Trojan horse and a unicorn there. Got the unicorns in each corner. Again, that side. Ah no, this looks more like the back design. Apologies. It's almost got like a sort of metallic look to it, like a golden look. Top, bottom. Let's get in there. And this is what I get for biting my nails. Apologies, guys. There we are. So I'll show you the back again here without the cellophane. It's kind of almost golden orange. I don't know if focusing will show that better. No seal. It's got a couple of wings on the inside of the tuck case. Nice addition. Let's get this bad boy out. There we go. So I was both correct and mistaken, as that is the back design, but it's on white. Now I do like this, I do like it a lot, but I prefer it on the black. I think I prefer it to be black. It's also not got that sort of metallic edge as much. But let's get in there. So we have a blank face, we have a double back. We're straight in. There's the two jokers, both the same. And we have the ace of spades here. Ooh, this is different. It's quite good. They look, it's a very standard array, very standard arrangement, standard, font for the twos. I think even the corner pips are standard. And then they've got their sort of unique own design in the middles. It's pretty cool. Now, what I have noticed is that these don't have the same texture as many decks from the United States Playing Card Company. Now, I did expect this of the Hoyle deck I reviewed a few reviews ago, but I didn't expect it from this. Now I like this, it's almost a standard face, I suppose. It looks very cool, very matchy with the colours. I like the sort of inlay around the outside, it's very nice. It's almost sort of checked, isn't it? Like a picnic blanket or a lumberjack shirt. Pretty cool. Again, almost standard. They're very nice, very different. I like it. It feels a bit more like royalty, I suppose, with the sort of outer edge. That's a pretty nice design for the clubs. Let's skip into the hearts again. It's pretty cool. I mean, they don't feel as nice. They don't seem to have an issue creating a fan. A bit clumped together. They don't have that air cushioning to sort of separate them very well. You see? I mean, they're not by any means horrible to handle. They actually feel surprisingly nice. They just don't have that same bicycle feel. I don't know. They're not bicycle branded, obviously, but made by the United States Playing Card Company, who make bicycle. Yeah, it just doesn't have that same feel. The texture's not as nice. I think it also cuts down the width of the deck, not by a considerable amount, but somewhat. And yeah, I think I prefer it if the back was black to go with the cards, the box. Sorry. Do you know what? I'm going to open the other ones quickly just to see how the back design comes out. I wasn't planning on opening both, but I will. And seeing as I've managed to get it open rather quickly, I'm not regretting it. Standing there for 10 minutes trying to get the package open is a bit of a pain. Again, I've got the same. Oh! Now that's unusual. I'm not sure if I've got a misprint here in this deck, as this one has that texture. Now I don't know what they do to give it that texture. I'm not sure whether it's put on a press or it's printed differently. I know that they generally have 3 layers, but that is the air cushion finish. Now it doesn't mention that on the box. It's not any like additional information. There's no real change. This is not dated any differently. It looks identical apart from the colours. I bought these both from playingcarddecks.com. So let me just put that there. Yeah, I bought them both from there. They were both shipped at the same time, and yet these have the air cushion finish that I expect from a USPCC deck, and these don't. Very peculiar. I'm going to have to do some digging, do a bit of research. I'm kind of glad I opened these, to be honest. I probably would have never used them had it not been for the fact I was a bit confused by the whole lack of air cushion finish. I mean, it doesn't say on the box that it has it, but I've kind of grown to expect it, so very unusual. I might contact them about that. Strange. Well guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time when we'll be reviewing something else. Take care.